Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Xbox app not launching error. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to repair and restart Xbox application. So for that, you need to enter into settings. Over there, please enter into apps and then install the apps, and then search for Xbox and click the three dot icon on the right side. Then enter into the advanced option. Over there, please scroll down and you may see repair and reset. Please do one by one. Yeah. So guys, our second step is to clear Microsoft Store cache. For that, press Windows R and then type wsreset.exe. Once you're done, it redirect you to the Microsoft account. So please have some patience to wait on it, and once it's done, please close it. So our third step is to start required Xbox services. So for that, press Windows R and then type services.msc and then hit OK. So over there, please scroll down and you may see the background intelligent. So enter into the properties and then make it as automatic and hit start. After that, please apply and then click OK. So after that, please scroll down and you may see Microsoft Store install server. So same you need to do. Please start it, and this time it should be in manual. Yeah, and then apply and then click OK. So after that, please scroll down and you may see Game App Store. Enter into the properties and make it as make it as manual, and then please hit start and then click apply and then click OK. So after that, please scroll down, you may see the Xbox Path Manager. Please make it as manual and start and then apply and then hit OK. The same you need to do for Xbox Live Game Save. Start and then apply and then hit OK. Yeah, same you need to do for Xbox Live networking service. Hit OK. Once it's done, please close it, and our fourth step is to restart your PC. Please restart your PC and check whether the issue is solved or not. If the issue is not solved, please follow the fifth step to reinstall game server. So for that, you need to enter into the PowerShell as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. Paste it the prompt one by one. It redirect to the Microsoft account to install the gaming server. So once it's done, please install it. Once it's done, please close it. So our sixth step is to reinstall Xbox application. For that, you need to enter into the PowerShell as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. Once it's done, please exit. And our seventh step is to repair Windows system. For that, you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. You should paste the prompt by one, a single line, and have some patience to wait on it. It will take some time. So once it's done, please copy the second line of prompt and paste it over there. The same, it also needs some time to load it. Yeah, it may take like 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, once it's done, please exit it. And our eighth step is to update Windows. For that, you need to enter into the settings and then enter into Windows Update. Please click check for update. If it shows any error, please do check out my other video to troubleshoot the Windows Update error. So once it's done, please reset your window. For that, you need to enter into the system and then please scroll down. Over there you may see recovery. and you can hit the reset PC. So please make sure it's a last step. So that's it guys. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.